Hari Om children, shall we start today's session? The continuation of numbers up to 1000. Let us start with a prayer. Om. Om. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Last class we have studied to write the numbers when number names were given. So today we will study expanded form, short form of a number, and what comes before, after and between the number. All of you open page number 47. Write in expanded form. Okay, shall we start? In number 167, what is there in a ones place? 7. What is there in a tens place? 6. And in hundreds place it is 1. So when you are going to write in expanded form, what is there in a ones place? First you check, it is a 7. So 7 into 1, 7. The value is 7. Then what is there in a tens place? It is 6. So the value is 60. What is there in a hundreds place? It is 100. So write 100. Next number is 208. In 208, what is there in a ones place? 8. The value is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. And what is there in a tens place? 0. 0 into 10, 0. And then what is there in a hundreds place? It is 2. So 2 into 100, it is 200. Next number is 158. So what is there in a ones place? 8. The value is 8 into 1, 8. What is there in a tens place? It is 5. The value is 5 into 10, it is 50. Then what is there in a hundreds place? It is 1. 1 into 100, it is 100. Next number is 289. So in 289, what is there in a ones place? 9. The value is 9 into 1, 9. Then 8 is in tens place. So 8 into 10, it is 80. And then in hundreds place it is 2. So the value is 2 into 100, it is 200. Next number is 312. In 312, what is there in a ones place? 2. 2 is there in a ones place. So the value is 2 into 1 is 2. And then what is there in a tens place? 1 is there in a tens place. So 1 into 10 it is 10, and then what is there in a hundreds place? It is 3. So, the value is 3 into 100, it is 300. Next number is 504. What is there in a ones place? 4. 4 into 1, the value is 4, and tens place it is 0. 0 into 10, it is 0, and then in hundreds place it is 5. 5 into 100, it is 500. What is there in a ones place here in this number? 356. So, 6 is there in a ones place. 6 into 1. So, 6. What is there in a tens place? 5. 5 into 10, it is 50. And what is there in a hundreds place? It is 3 into 100, 300. In 490, what is there in a ones place? 0. 0 into 1. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. And then what is there in a tens place? It is 9. So, 9 into 10, 90. And what is there in a hundreds place? It is 4 into 100, 400. The value is 4 into 100, 400. In 736, what is there in a ones place? 6. 6 into 1, 6. What is there in a tens place? It is 3. 3 into 10, 30. And what is there in a hundreds place? It is 700. 7 into 100, 700. In 299, what is there in a ones place? 9. 9 into 1, 9. And what is there in a tens place? 9. 9 into 10, it is 90. And what is there in a hundreds place? It is 2 into 100, 200. In 919, what is there in a ones place? 9. 9 into 1. What is there in a tens place? 1 is there in a tens place. So, 1 into 10, it is 10. And what is there in a hundreds place here? 900. 9 into 100, 900. In hundreds place 9 is there. So, the value is 9 into 100, 900. In 647, what is there in a ones place? 7. The value is 7 into 1, 7. What is there in a tens place? 4. 4 into 10, 40. And what is there in a hundreds place? 6. The value is 6 into 100, 600. In 505, what is there in a 505, what is there in a ones place here, children? 5. Write 5 here. And what is there in a tens place? 0. 0 into 10, 0. What is there in a hundreds place? 5 is there in a hundreds place. 5 into 100, 500. In 889, 88, what is there in a ones place? 8 is there in a ones place. 8 into 1, 8. What is there in a tens place? 8 into 10, 80. And what is there in a hundreds place? 8, 8 into 100, 800. Complete all these remaining sums, children. Open page number 48, children. Write in short form. They have given the expanded form. We need to write the short form of a number. One example they are given. See this example, 300. 300 is there in a hundreds place. 90 is there in a tens place. 8 is there in a ones place. So the number is 398. The same way we need to follow for all these sums. The next one is, what is there in a ones place? 5 is there in a ones place. 10 is there in a tens place, and 200 is there in a hundreds place. So the number is 215. The next number is, what is there in a ones place? 4, and tens place it is 50. The value is 50, and then in hundreds place it is 200. Then the number is 254. Next number is 370. Next number is 813. Next number is 394. Next number is 525. Next number is 484. Next number is 560. Next number is 622. Next number is 468. Next number is 739. Next number is 683. Next number is 874. Next number is 774. Next number is 512. 40. Next number is 800 36. Next number is 725. Next number is 345. Next number is 476. These remaining sums you solve at home, children. Next we will move on to page number 49. What comes just before, what comes between, and what comes just after. What comes just before? 285. Before 285, which number comes? It is 284. Before 138, it is 137. 348, it is 347. 629, it is 628. 432, 431. 956, 955. 867, 866. 426, 425. 272, 271. Now we will move on to what comes between 129 and 131. Which number comes? It is 130. 224 and 226. Which number comes between? It is 225. 532 and 534. Which number comes between? It is 533. 640 and 642. In between, which number comes? It is 641. 738 and 740. Between this, which number comes? 739. 849 and 850. In between, which number comes? It is 850. 654 and 656. So between 655. Between 161 and 163, which number comes? 162. 170 and 172, it is 171. Now what comes just after? So after 428, it is 429. 536, after 536, it is 537. After 127, 128. After 925, it is 926. (934), after 934, it is 935. After 888, it is 889. After 342, it is 343. After 746, it is 747. After 354, it is 355. The remaining sums you solve at home, children. Let's move on to the notes part, children. Put today's date, and then the side heading is write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, copy these three sums neatly. Then go to next page. There you write the number names. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in single page. Then afterwards 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20 in next page. Then write the number names for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. Then the next topic is write in words, that is in number names. Okay. Numbers will be given, you need to write a number name. Here I have given 3 numbers, copy the number names. Practice the exercise and write the notes part also, children. Hari Om. Thank you.